Welcome to the Koala Show. If you're new to the show, then make sure to subscribe. I usually say that at the end. Okay, well, in my last video, I had a part 1 to fixing my old slimes, and I didn't really fix most of them. So I told you guys that I would try to fix them with instant snow. And if you didn't know, guys, instant snow makes cloud fluff. And why would you ever think that instant snow would fix it if it makes only cloud fluff? Wow. If you guys know that that instant... okay, let me rephrase that. That instant snow, if you make it really watery, if you add like a lot of water, then it becomes like icy more than snowy. And when you add it to slime, it becomes soft and squishy and stretchy. And you can't add too much because then it'll become melted. Okay. This was what I was trying to do. That didn't end up so good. Okay, so the first slime I'm going to be trying to fix is this blue one. I tried to fix it in my last video on the part 1, and when I added the lotion, it just totally it messed it up. So I'm gonna try to fix it with what was I gonna say? Instant snow. So this is the instant snow that I already have. I have like a bunch of it. A lot of instant snow. See, it's like how it's like white. Wait, I didn't mean white. See how it's like almost clear? So I'm gonna put that in my bowl and I'm gonna just like squish this together. It's not even going in like the stuff. It's not going inside. Oh my god, instant snow just went everywhere in my room. Okay, so I cannot fix this. Hopefully it fixes it, like it absorbs all the instant snow and it becomes good, but I don't think it will. Well, I'm gonna mix this for like however long it takes, and I'll be back. Okay, well guys, it kind of made it worse. Sadly, this is going in the trash. And let's look at our next thing that it might fix. I don't know if it's gonna fix. Now I'm feeling less confident, but we'll see. Okay, so next slime is this slime smoothie I showed you on part 1. And I can't open this. It's so hard to open. Wait, okay, yeah, I opened it. I got it. Okay, so I added lotion to this one. I added lotion to this one too, and I guess it didn't work. So I'm gonna start mixing it in the instant snow and see what happens. It's not mixing in. Why can't I fix this? Like, none of this is working. Like, it's too hard to absorb anything. I don't know if I can melt it if it works, but I don't want to like melt it in the microwave because I'm scared it's gonna like explode or something. But yeah, this is not working in the trash. Oh my gosh, I totally missed the trash. I got it in the trash. Okay, so the last one, which is our last chance, is this one. This one. It's kind of stretchy and good, but it's not my expectation good. I think it's gonna absorb it this time. I think so. Is it doing it? I hope it is. Because none of my slimes survived today except this one. Well, I don't know if it will yet, but we'll see. I'm just going to dump this out on my table. I don't really need the bowl. It's not really melting, but yeah. I don't think none of this stuff is going to melt. None of it. I don't know if it's getting better or not. I'm just going to add a bunch of instant snow and see what happens. It's like a bunch of instant snow going into slime. And seeing what happens. This is literally what it is. Like, I don't know what's gonna happen, guys. It might be a fail, or it might be a total, not fail. It's not, well, I'm not gonna say it's not working yet, because it is getting softer. I just have to knead it more and more and more and more and more and more and more. It's actually getting a little bit stretchier. I can feel the instant snow dissolving a little bit. This might work, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work. I think it's working. Just there's so much of that hot glue gun strings in there that it's not really stretchy at all. And then it dried up, so it got even worse. So, well, I'm gonna try to see how much hot glue gun strings there are on there. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but there's so many of them. So I'm just gonna, ooh, this is getting really stretchy and good. This is not a fail, guys. I'm so excited. So excited to fix this. This is so awesome that I get to fix my old slimes. Oh my gosh, it got so much better. But there's still more strings inside there, so I'm gonna see if I can melt the strings with this. So I just need like a little bit more. This totally worked with one of my slimes. I fixed one of my slimes, guys, out of 5 slimes. There's 1 survivor and 5 survivors. I mean, 5 people. There's 1 survivor and 5 people. I don't know why I keep doing this. I promise, if you hate it, I won't do it in my next video. Just comment down below. If you love it, comment down below. And I'll count the votes. Just kidding. It's probably not annoying. I don't know. It's, now it's definitely really stretchy and really squishy and soft. So let's see if it will do an ASMR. It's like back to the video, will it ASMR? Oh yeah, this one will ASMR. I should have done dry slimes on the Will It ASMR video. That would have been like even more cool. Okay, sorry. I'll be quiet. Try to do a swirl now. God, that's a pretty swirl. It's like so, it smells so good. It's like scented like gumdrops. Because I added conditioner, gumdrop conditioner. It smells so good. So this is pretty soft. I'm just gonna add a teeny bit more because I just want to see what happens. I don't want it to completely melt, but I want to see what happens. Just needing my slime. Just need my slime. Oh wait, I forgot to mention. In my last video, part 1 of fixing my old slimes, which is this video, part 2. Remove it because it's right there. If you didn't watch the other video, then watch this. And if you watch this video, then you're in luck. Because I started a new thing, which is like a question. I ask a question of the video, and you have to answer it in the comments down below. And then I'll feature you in the next video. So this thing down here, oh no, I'm pointing too high up. This folder right here has something on it, and that is a hint to my favorite dessert. So if you see what that is on the folder, you can comment down below what my favorite dessert is, and then if you get it right, I will feature you in my next video, and I promise I will feature you because I will look in the comments and see who you are, and I'll feature you in my next video. So thank you for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you aren't subscribed yet. And if you're subscribed, then you can comment down below what my favorite dessert is, and it's right there. And you can comment down below, and you can get featured in my next video, which I already said 1,000 times. Well, thank you for watching, Koala fans. Bye.